everybody, it's the 24th of November and let's take a look at what the weather looks like today. So it's cloudy and miserable. 1 minute it's sunny, next minute it's spitting with rain, but it's bitterly cold today. It's about 5 degrees here in Kessingland. So we'll have a quick look around. So we've got all our sale bikes out this morning. You can reserve your bike for Christmas. We'll keep it here for just £10. I've got all of these bikes as well. But today I have got to get this shop sorted out. I am a huge hoarder. I'm just going to go shut the door. I am terrible at hoarding stuff. And as a result, we've got way too much stuff. So at the moment, the temporary office to keep the electrics dry is in what used to be our storage cupboard. That needs to be moved into the what I call the office. Because it's much more easier and convenient to check and upload stuff rather than coming all the way through, opening the door, going in there, coming back out, taking the photo. It's just a pain. And now the roof's done, I can sort that out. So first thing first, computer's going to be moved into the office, or back into the office, and then it's waste collection day on Monday. So I'm going to be ruthless in my store cupboard and all the things that just get kept, and I'm going to fill the bin up with stuff I don't need anymore. That's my plan, because I do keep a ridiculous amount of stuff. So first things first, I need to move the computer, and then I'll crack on with making the shop a little bit more tidier. So that's the plan. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. We love having new subscribers. If you've already subscribed, welcome, thank you. We do appreciate it. We hope you're enjoying the content. But we're really grateful. Our subscribers are going up all the time, so thank you. We hope you're enjoying the videos. If you've got any comments, we'd love to see them. But I'm going to get into this. I'm going to put the kettle on, and then I'm going to get the computer moved. So the computer's moved. Let's now show you. It's now here, making lots and lots and lots of noise, which means I've got a bit of music and radio to work to. Printer will go in there. I'm going to clear through all of this mess up here, and then all of this. I'm going to be busy. tidying up is finished. I've got all the important stuff where I need it. My computer's back in here, kettle, and then I've got these wheels to go through this afternoon, and everything is nicely stacked again. And then in here, everything is nice and tidy. So I just need to tidy up the front desk before I go for lunch. Okay, so I have tidied everything up, and so I just need to process the remaining wheels, and then I've got loads of sort of paperwork to do. So I'm going to crack on with that, and hopefully we can salvage some nice stuff. Looked really destructive, and to a degree it is really destructive. However, the wheels were bent beyond recognition, which means that they were never ever going to be able to be retrued, because the rims were bent and some of the spokes were bent. However, we've managed to get a pair of Shimano Dura Ace hubs, a big pile of stainless steel, and 2 aluminium rims that can be recycled. So I need to get this video edited, and I need to get the rest of this these bits and pieces done. So I'm going to say goodbye for now. If you're new to the channel, we'd love it if you subscribe. We're getting new subscribers every single day who love watching what we're doing. If you already subscribed, thank you, we really appreciate it. We hope you're enjoying the content. Don't forget to press the notification bell to make sure that you don't miss a single video. www.CycleRecycleUK.com. There's only a few days left to enter our free prize draw. You just literally have to go to the website, there's a button, click on that, do what it tells you to do, and you could win yourself a cycling computer, a bicycle service, and a discount card for 12 months. Have a lovely evening, and we'll see you tomorrow.